it's the way that I mob through the mall. Maybe it's the reason I get stopped by the law. But I tell you one thing that you all should know, man, I love my afro. Fuck we little rascal, yeah I got an afro. Some call it a natural, round as an apple. Crown for my castle, and it's a hassle, especially when them people be thinking that I'm an astronaut. What you think about me, employers? They wanna doubt me. Little kids around me be thinking that I'm a circus clown. He got my afro picking, I'm afrocentric. Skaters be like,
damn, your afro's bitchin', bitchin', bitchin'.
Alright, alright, oh, oh. Alright, alright, oh, oh. Alright, oh. Alright, oh. Half of the time, I can't get a job. The other half, people think they gon' get robbed. Must be the way I'm out through the mall. Maybe they know I got on SpongeBob draws. Maybe it's the way that I'm out through the mall. Maybe it's the reason I get stopped by the law. But I tell you one thing that you all should know, man, I love my afro. Business. When this po-po flips a Yui, I knew his intentions to pull me over was just bogus. He passed the 3 calls just to get behind my focus. He followed me for about 10 whole blocks. I was tempted to stop and call the cops, but he was one of them, so I decided not. I kept on rolling, trying to get to my spot. Next thing you know, here come them flashing lights. Try to get out his way, so I moved to the right, but he stuck to my tail like he was my tailpipe. He's thinking jail, I'm thinking not tonight. So I grab my cell phone off the dashboard, hit record as he approaches my door. Excuse me, officer, what'd you pull me over for? He looks at me and says,
it's because of your afro, 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 because of your afro.
Well, Billy's got an afro, Jenny's got an afro, Wayne's got an afro, Jenny's got an afro, Tina's got an afro, Rachel's got an afro. Hey yo, B, you got an afro?
No.
My name is Schizo and I keep an afro. I keep it natural, cracking like I was sent from the past, so that people can rewind the times back in the days. I know it was a struggle in so many ways. See, my fight is still here, but it's just a little different. I'm here to represent and save all the children. The violence on the streets has got to cease. So when you see my hairpiece, remember peace, love, and hair grease. When you see peace, it means a different thing. It's all about peace and not about bling bling. Catch me on the streets, you'll see what I mean. Or somewhere overseas, perhaps, and sing, sing. Bring it back, 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 bring it back. People looking at me like I'm crazy, wondering who that be. It's amazing, really don't faze me when they ask me how long it takes me when it's nappy. Maybe it's the way that I'm out through the mall. Maybe it's the reason I get stopped by the law. But I tell you one thing that you all should know, I love my afro. A-A-F-F, R-R-O-O.